My name is Diethard Tautz. I'm from the Max-Planck Institute for Evolutionary Biology in Plön in northern Germany. I'm an evolutionary biologist and I'm interested in molecular evolution, particularly in how the genes that are involved in adaptations are evolving. And here at STIAS, I'm a fellow at STIAS, so I have here a project about the new findings about how the genetic network actually determines the individuals and that which kind of new role this brings into the evolution and the interactions with each other. The talk I will be giving is more on a subset of these interests. It's specifically focused on phenotypes that are related to sex and the question how they evolve and which genes are actually behind them. Sex is usually portrayed as being there males and females as a binary status, but if you think about it, males and females are said to have different sizes, but you will always find females that are larger than males and vice versa. So there's actually a distribution of phenotypes and it's not a binary state. What I'm going to do is to look at the genes actually that determine these sexual phenotypes, ask how they evolve, how they provide variability to the individuals, and find out that they give actually overlapping phenotypes instead of binary ones.